Underwater drones offer a thrilling opportunity to discover the mysteries of the deep sea. These remarkable devices, also known as remotely operated vehicles, allow us to explore the underwater world with ease and precision. They are like mini submarines that can capture high-quality video and images from depths beyond what scuba divers can reach. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best underwater drones you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Number 5. PowerVision PowerDolphin. Experience the freedom of exploring both above and below the surface with the PowerDolphin, a state-of-the-art water drone. Named for its graceful movements, this sleek device is designed to skim along the water's surface while providing a stunning 4K view of the world below. With PowerDolphin's advanced phone-ready remote controller and Vision Plus 2 app, piloting this drone is a breeze. Thanks to its 150-degree underwater camera angle and 70-degree aerial view, you can capture breathtaking footage of marine life or coastal vistas. The PowerDolphin is equipped with GPS return-to-home functionality, making it easy to navigate and explore with confidence. The PowerDolphin comes in 2 options, the Standard Pack or the Explorer Pack. The Explorer Pack features an upgraded remote and a 2,624 feet range, perfect for those who want to explore farther from shore. The PowerDolphin also includes a self-righting feature, sonar, and a long-lasting 5,800 mAh battery that provides up to 2 hours of continuous use. The PowerDolphin is lightweight and compact, making it easy to take with you on any adventure. The PowerDolphin is available now for just $599, making it an affordable way to explore the beauty of the world's waterways. Number 4. Chasing Innovation Dory. Introducing the Chasing Innovation Dory, a compact yet powerful underwater drone that lets you explore the depths of the ocean with ease. This stunning yellow drone boasts a 5-thruster design, allowing for easy tilting of the body and camera, while the depth lock feature ensures stable and precise movement. What's more impressive is the price point of $499, which is significantly lower than its big brother, the Gladius Mini. This is achieved by a few compromises, such as a 1080p camera and 250 lumens of light. However, this should not be an issue for most shallow water explorations. The Dory features a shorter umbilical, but with the surface end acting as a floating Wi-Fi buoy, control is still maximized within the 50 feet tether range. The control interface is all on-screen through the app, eliminating the need for a physical controller. The drone's battery is contained within, making it the only element to charge, and the 720p live feed is perfect for piloting. Whether you're out on a boat trip or exploring lakeside pools, the Dory will provide endless hours of entertainment and educational value. Number 3. Fifish V6. Unleash your inner explorer and capture stunning underwater footage. With the Fifish V6 remotely operated underwater vehicle by Kaisi. Perfect for content creators, marine inspection, aquaculture, and archaeological observation, this ROV boasts a 1-inch CMOS sensor, ultra-wide field of view, and electronic image stabilization, ensuring expansive and vivid imagery from depths up to 328 feet. Equipped with 6 thrusters and 6 DOF movements, you can climb, dive, and roll with ease, while Kaisi's posture lock technology maintains a steady angle within 0.1 degrees. Controlled by a dual joystick topside remote, you can connect your smartphone and drive the ROV at speeds up to 3 knots for up to 4.5 hours. With the included virtual reality headset, you can intuitively control the ROV's movements by simply turning your head. The camera features 4K UHD video at 30 FPS, 1080p video at up to 120 FPS, and the ability to shoot in DNG format. The remote control unit can record footage to microSD cards up to 32 gigabytes or stream content over Wi-Fi with the free Fifish app offering editing, color restoration, soundtracks, and instant sharing. All of this comes in a compact and rugged design, making it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. Get the Fifish V6 today for $1,199 and unlock endless possibilities for underwater exploration and content creation. Number 2. Chasing Innovation Gladius Mini. The Chasing Innovation Gladius Mini is an excellent underwater drone that comes with a well-designed backpack that includes a separate bay for your laptop. The setup process is straightforward, and the included towel provides extra safety when placing the drone on sharp rocks. While the protective caps for the tether cable are prone to get lost, the drone's sturdy build ensures it can withstand underwater knocks. Its bright color makes it easy to spot, and the depth lock feature ensures steady footage. The drone's app is thoughtfully designed, VR compatible, and easy to operate. The 4K camera produces excellent results, although image stabilization could be better in rougher seas. With 5 thrusters, the Gladius Mini responds quickly and is a joy to fly. However, the camera and lights cannot be independently turned, making it a real pilot's craft. At $1,099, this product is an excellent value, considering its maximum depth of 328 feet, wireless remote, umbilical to Wi-Fi unit, and 4-hour battery life. Overall, the Chasing Innovation Gladius Mini is a great investment for any underwater exploration enthusiast. Number 1. PowerVision PowerRay. The PowerVision PowerRay is a top-of-the-line underwater drone that offers unparalleled performance for underwater exploration and photography. With a maximum depth of 98 feet and a 4K 12-megapixel camera, this drone is capable of capturing stunning footage and stills in even the most challenging underwater environments. The PowerRay's 229 feet umbilical cable allows for wireless remote control, and its 2 dimmable 450-lumen headlights illuminate your subject, making it easy to capture great footage in murky waters. The camera has a maximum ISO of 1600 and can capture 30 FPS in 4K, ensuring that you'll be able to capture even the smallest details in the depths that the PowerRay can reach. At a price of $679, the PowerVision PowerRay is an incredible value for anyone looking to explore the depths of the ocean. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, this powerful tool will help you take your underwater photography and exploration to the next level.